We are at Ninh, and this is our very first day. We decided to come to Ninh. First because it's a little bit closer, a little bit easier accessible area from Hanoi. It's about 2 hours of drive from Hanoi, and there are multiple possibilities. You can come by train, you can come by Grab, you can come by what they call limousine organized by your hotel. The cost was more than for a train, but less than for a Grab. So it's about 90 kilometers and 2 hours drive. So it was more convenient for us to come here with children. So right now we are at our homestay at Tam Coc, and so we are planned a couple of visits in the region. And of course we are going to make this very famous boat trip in the what they call terrestrial Halong Bay. For now I can say that here it's very beautiful, very green, and it's a protected UNESCO site. Tam Coc town, where we are right now, is quite a very small town, and it's very oriented for destination for tourists. We can see that all infrastructure is organized about tourism, and it's more, I think, if I understood correctly, it's more for Vietnamese tourists. We didn't see a lot of international tourists, and right at this moment it's a low season, and Vietnamese tourists prefer to go to Sia, so Cat Ba Island. It's quite fluid here. Tam Coc is quite pretty. They have a small lake, and we made yesterday evening, when we arrived, a promenade by foot around the lake. You can do it with bicycles, but the bicycles available at our guest house were not so good, and I wasn't confident to ride it with a baby, so we walked by foot, and the distance was not so far to make all around the lake. And it was more pleasant because we could stop to take pictures, and we could really watch beautiful sceneries. It's really pretty around the lake. You have all these small boats that they use to make a promenade on water from Tam Coc or from Trangang areas. So yeah, it was really pretty, and then we found this very, very nice, very tasty vegan restaurant just by the lake. So it was one of the best vegan restaurants that I tried, and so we spent a evening there. This is the best vegan restaurant of the town, or maybe of the country, or maybe in the world. The sceneries here are just crazy, and I heard today that King Kong movie was made here in this region. The Green Mountains are really something. I was really happy to see them in real life and not from footages, not from YouTube. Our homestay has this really tiny pool. Does not look tiny like this, but it is. It's small. So our children love it. We spend some time here after our day activities.